Okay, so PHP suggest basic controls whether the built-in PHP language suggestions are enabled. The support suggests PHP globals and variables. So this is set to true by default, and this pertains to when you are writing code, and it pertains to these kinds of suggestions, right? There's a SecureHeather function here, so inside this class. So if you start writing SEC, it's going to suggest SecureHeather because it's one of the functions it recognizes, right? So if you disable this function, this setting, just going to show you how that works. The only thing you'll get is emmet snippets, right? So you won't have the IntelliSense from PHP. And this is what the setting pertains to. Obviously, it's a good thing to have this set to true so that you can have those suggestions there, and it's easier to see which functions are available in your particular piece of code. So I'm going to leave this one set to true.